Are you tired of getting to the end of the month and wondering where all your money went? Budgeting is a game changer, and if you're a Revolut user, you already have powerful tools right in your pocket to take control of your finances. Many people know Revolut for its great travel and spending features, but its built-in budgeting and analytics are seriously underrated. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Revolut's budgeting tools to stop overspending and start saving effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, let's find the tools. Open your Revolut app and look for the Analytics tab. It's usually represented by a graph icon. This section is your financial dashboard. Here, Revolut automatically categorizes all your transactions, things like groceries, transport, and eating out. This automatic sorting is the foundation of smart budgeting. Step 1. Set your overall monthly budget. On the Analytics screen, you'll typically see a banner or a section related to budget for the current month. Tap on this. Here, you can set a total spending limit for the entire month. This is your big picture goal, the maximum you want to spend outside of fixed costs like rent. Step 2. Set category-specific budgets. This is where the real control comes in. Scroll down, and you'll see all those automatically created spending categories. You can tap into any of them, for example, groceries or entertainment, and set a specific spending limit just for that category. This is crucial for limiting those non-essential impulse buys. Step 3. Turn on alerts. Make sure you've enabled notifications for your budget. Revolut is great at giving you real-time alerts. You'll get a notification when you've hit 50%, 75%, and 100% of a specific category budget. This instant feedback is the best way to course correct before you blow your budget. You'll know immediately when that extra takeout meal is pushing you past your limit. Step 4. Use Pockets for planned expenses. While budgets track your spending, Revolut's Pockets feature is perfect for saving for specific, known expenses. Think of them as digital envelopes. You can create a pocket for monthly subscriptions or holiday fund. The best part? You can link a direct debit or recurring payment directly to a pocket, so that money is automatically set aside and doesn't sit in your main balance, tempting you. A quick tip: regularly review your analytics screen. The charts and graphs make it easy to see your spending trends over time. Seeing a spike in the shopping category last month is a powerful motivator to adjust your budget this month. The key to successful budgeting isn't just setting limits, it's regularly reviewing the data. Revolut takes the pain out of tracking your money, turning a chore into a simple, visual process that keeps you informed in real time. Use these tools, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.